Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. We've got a 2019 Mercedes C300 with a 2-liter that got towed to us. It doesn't crank over. It seems that the engine locks up, so we've taken off the timing cover to see what the timing chain looks like, and we removed the spark plugs and the coils, and now we got our Boroscope out. So we're gonna do some turning. Dan, can you start turning the engine?
Yep.
Dan's gonna be underneath. He's gonna be turning the engine slightly. As you see, the cam gears are starting to rotate, and when we look at our Boroscope, you'll see that the piston in the cylinder number 1 is moving up closer and closer to us. Thank you, Dan. Let's go to cylinder number 2. My assistant has gotten it in the hole. Go ahead, Dan, start turning again.
Okay.
You see that slightly turning, and in cylinder number 2, you can see that piston moving. Very good, Dan. Let's go to cylinder number 3, which is our problem one. Again, my assistant will get it in the hole. Nicely done. There's the piston right there that you can see. Go ahead, Dan. Turn.
Okay.
And as he's turning, nothing is happening with this piston. We're not too sure what happened with that until we actually do what we call the autopsy on it to see whether it broke a rod or a piston pin or what happened. But there's definitely no compression in that number 3, and that piston's not moving. Urban Automotive, safety first, here to help you out.